This is the Alphacool Eisfrost Extreme Liquid Metal Compound Kit. And what this is designed to do is replace the thermal compound that's in between your chip and the lid when you're going to delid your CPU. Included in the kit is the liquid metal compound, along with 3 different size syringes to apply the compound with the spreaders, as well as a cleaning tool to get the existing paste off of the chip. Now, the Extreme kit does mention on the back here that it is, once it has been placed, it does not come off. It is made to be a permanent solution for cooling your CPU kit. So that is very important. When you go and do this, once you do it, it's final. There's no going back. So what we're going to do today is take this thermal compound. I have a 8700K chip here that we're going to delid and replace the compound inside of it with the brand new Alphacool Eisfrost Extreme. Now that you have the lid off of the CPU, you can see the adhesive that goes all the way around the edges here, which you don't really have to worry about too much. But the most important part is to clean the lid of the thermal paste that's already there and the chip itself with the pad that is included. Now, these black Q-tips are also to aid you in the process of getting this clean. It is very, very important that this chip and the lid get very, very clean before you apply the thermal paste. Now that the chip is clean and the lid is also clean, what you can then do is take the liquid metal compound and pair it up to one of the 3 syringes. They're all the same, but in order to open these, you give it a half turn and then it kind of pulls right out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the syringe with the compound and you're going to apply a very, very small bit to the top of the chip here. And according to the directions itself, it says to use a pinhead-sized drop. So that's what we're going to do, exactly what they say, which is about that. Now, with the spreaders, what I'm going to do is take the spreader to apply it evenly across the CPU chip. You want to make sure it has a nice even spread across the top here. If you have excess, you can scoop it up and then wipe it off, and then continue the process. Once you've spread the compound enough, then you'll need to reseat the lid back onto the chip. Once you have relidded the CPU, you are then good to go. Add your adhesive around the edge and reseat the lid to it, and the thermal compound will actually harden up after the first time it turns on and gets warm, and then this lid is ensured to no longer come off. Again, that is promptly written on the back of the instructions here that this is a permanent solution to the compound that was originally on there. So after you've done all that, you are all set and good to go to reinstall the CPU back into your computer.